Hey friends, for the latest puzzle solution, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver.
Welcome friends to the channel Puzzle Solver. So this is the puzzle number 3 of Brain Teaser series. Here is a sheet in which some words are present and you have to identify the hidden meaning of every picture present in the box. So let's start. I'll give you one example how this sheet is gonna solve. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 7 C's are present. So its meaning will be these 7 C's. So this is how you have to solve each and every picture present in the sheet. So friends, before jumping to the solution, let's pause this video for 30 seconds and try to find out hidden meaning together. So our time starts now. Three, 2, 1, stop. Friends, hope you all have identified the maximum number of hidden words. Let's proceed to see all the hidden words. First, I have already told you as an example that 7 C's are present. So the answer would be the 7 C's. Friends, I have written meaning and example here. You can refer for more knowledge. Now jumping on to our second box. In the second box, we have got level, word level, which is splitted. So it is split level. Third, we have forgive and forget. So that is forgive and forget. Next, here alphabets are given, but A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, U is missing. So it will be missing U. Next, here town is written and it's going down. T-O-W-N. So it's downtown. Next, lucky is written, but this word is broken in middle. As in space is there, this is not together, so it's lucky break. He is and himself, so he is present in the side of himself, so it is he is beside himself. Next, C is marked over the blouse, so it is see-through blouse. As C is popping up, so it's see-through blouse. Next, 3 aids are given, but 1 arrow is marked in the first aid, so it's first aid. Next, here 4 D's are present, so it's D's, and inside D's West is written, so it is West Indies. West Indies. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 feet is present under the word ground, so it is 6 feet underground. Next, the word glance is written, but it is in backward direction. G-L-A-N-C-E, glance, so it's backward glance. Next, 3 cycles are there, so it's tricycle. It's very simple. Next, lines are present in between the alphabets present in the word reading, so it's reading between the line. Next, word roads are present but they are crossing each other, so it's crossroads. Next, 3 degrees are there, MD, PhD and BSc, and they are present below this 0, so 3 degrees below 0. Next, knee is present on the top of lights, so it's neon lights. Next, word you, word just and me, and just is coming in between you and me, so it's just between you and me. Next, word one, O-N-E, is present in between word million, so this complete word is has been derived from 2 words, that is one and million, so it's 1 in million. Here the word promise is written, but it is broken from middle, broken mice, so it's broken promise. Word touch is written, but we can see you is coming out of the word touch, that means you is out of touch, you are out of touch is the word, hidden meaning. Next, so numbers is given which ends at 40, and at 40 life is also there, so life begins at 40. Jack and a box, and Jack is present inside a box, so Jack in a box. Next, economy, and the first alphabet of economy is smaller and it is going on increasing, and the last one is the biggest one, so it's growing economy. Next, up, which is present before 8, so it's up before 8. Next, we can see the box and it has round corners and just is present in one of the corner, so it is just around the corner. Next, apple and numeric value of pi. Pi is equal to 3.14, so it's apple pie. Here, word making, making is there, which is going upward direction, and 4 lost is there, 4 times lost is present and 1 time is present, so it's making up for lost time. Making up for lost time is the hidden meaning for this box. Next, word ovation is present, which is in standing form, so it's standing ovation. Next, I understand, you undertake, to undermine, my undertaking. And this is end of our brain teaser 3. Friends, hope you liked this video. If you liked, please share it with your friends and family members, and do subscribe to our channel for more interesting puzzles, riddles and brain teasers. Thank you so much. Bye bye.